Good morning, boys. I hope you are having a wonderful day today and that you are ready to begin working. So, this week, boys, we are in week 3. So, this is our calendar for week 3, and we are Tuesday today. So, we will be working on English. And the story we are going to read today is called Rock Band. So if you have this worksheet, please get it out. We will be needing it because it also comes with a couple of, I think it's two worksheets. So this is what you're going to need. You're going to need this one, Rock Band with the 4 questions, and then another rock band with another couple of questions. There should be 3 pages, 3 worksheets that you will be using. So the first thing we're going to do is write our name on the top. That way when you submit your picture, I know whose work has been submitted and who has not. So please do not forget your name. Once you have written your name, I will be reading the story with you all. We're going to be doing it together. Just follow along and then we will go to the questions. So let's begin. Rock Band. Based on the title of the story and the pictures, what do you think the story is going to be about? Yes, a band. Because this picture right here, we see a girl with a guitar, and in this picture over here, we see a boy with some drums. So maybe we can predict that a couple of friends got together and created their own band. Or maybe they were already in a band. And rock band is like a category of music, so we know that maybe their style is going to be rock. That's what we can predict based on the title and the pictures that we see. But let's read to see exactly what rock band is about. Let's make a rock band, says Beth. Great, says Rob. I can play the drums. He hit the drums. Rat-a-tat-tat. Kim smiled. I will play the guitar. Shroom, shroom. Jim picked up a keyboard. He pushed the keys. Cool, I will play this. Ting, ding, dong. Bill started to sing, la, la, la. Beth looked around. What should I play? She dug in a box. She pulled out a big bell. Look at a cowbell. Bang, bang, bong. Let's rock. They played and sang all night. Awesome job. So, based on the story that we just read, we know there are a couple of friends. I know here we only see 2 people. However, it is not just 2 people. We have a couple of friends. They're a group of friends, a group of people, and they want to make a band. And each person has either their instruments or somebody's going to sing. Everybody has their part in the band. So now let's go to the questions. Our first set of questions, they're talking about who and what questions. So we are going to, I will be doing one question with you and you will be doing the rest on your own. But here we're just going to find out the who's and the what. On the next character, these are open-ended questions. So here we are going to write it down. So on the first one, they want to know our characters. Like I said, this was not a 2-person group band. This is several people. So characters means the people who are talking about in the story. So there were several of them. Several had were going to be in the band, and each one had its instrument. So those people are the people that we are going to be writing in here. And then we're going to see what is Beth's problem. So we will find out who is Beth and what is her problem, and then how her problem was solved. So here is cause and effect. So what happened, and then what changed it. We're going to be doing problem solving, boys. So I will be doing one question in this worksheet with you, and I will be doing another question over here with you, and then the rest you will do on your own. So to begin with, question number 1. It's saying, who is this? So let's look at the picture. What can we tell about this picture? What is something that can tell us off the bat who she is? Yes, the guitar. So now we're going to look to the story and find out who plays the guitar. So let's read. Let's make a rock band, said Beth. Great, said Rob. I can play the drums. He hit the drums, rat-a-tat-tat. Kim smiled. I will play the guitar, shroom shroom. So we can highlight all of this. So who plays the guitar? Kim. Good job, boys. Kim played the guitar. And that is how you're going to be doing the rest. Here there's pictures. Over here they're just telling you the name or who is the singer. So you would just go back and find the name and see what she plays, or if not, who is going to sing, and write that person's name down. Now for our next one, here it says rock band. Characters. What is Beth's problem? How was the problem solved? So I will be doing this question with you, and you can do the characters and how her problem was solved on your own. So let's find out, what is Beth's problem? So let's go back to our story and let's see what is Beth's problem. And it says, let's make a rock band, said Beth. Great, said Rob. I can play the drums. He hit the drums, rat-a-tat-tat. Kim smiled. I will play the guitar, shroom shroom. Jim picked up a keyboard. He pushed the keys. Cool. I will play this. Ting, ting, tong. Bill started to sing. La, la, la. Beth looked around. What should I play? She dug in a box. So here, what is Beth's problem? It says, Beth looked around. What should I play? She dug in a box. So let's highlight this right here. She was looking around and she asked what she should play. And she dug in a box. Can anybody tell me what is her problem here? What is she trying to find? Yes, good job, boys. She doesn't know what to play. She doesn't know what instrument to play. So what is Beth's problem? We are going to put she doesn't know what to play, or she needs an instrument. How about let's put she needs an instrument. So we're going to put Beth. Let me make this bigger. needs an instrument, and that is what she's looking for right now. She is looking for her instrument. Beth needs an instrument. And then now you're just going to write how her problem was solved. So what kind of instrument? Did she find an instrument after all? If so, what was her instrument? That is what you will be writing here. And here, do not forget about the characters. They're talking about 5 characters. What you are going to write here are the characters' names. Here, find out who is the singer, what Beth plays, and who is this? Who is the drummer? You can find all these answers right here, boys and girls. If you have any questions at all or need help in anything, please feel free to reach out to me or Mr. Salinas. We are always here to help. Other than that, once you are done, please do not forget to submit it into Teams, boys. That way we can give you a grade. If there is no picture in Teams, there is no grade. So please do not forget. Once you are done, you are good to go. Thank you so much, and I will see you here tomorrow. Bye, boys.